Alright, so bike is coming along. Today we're going to work on the battery. The battery is going to be located down here. I've got it zip tied in here, but I'm going to make a little tray for it with a strap. And the way I'm going to do that is to make a really basic tray out of metal here with two little hoops on it, or two little loops that I can then connect a dog collar to either end of it, and then I can connect the dog collar together to strap in the battery. Here's the main fuse that lives right next to the battery. That's the connection to the battery, to the main fuse, and then to the starter. And so I want to use this main fuse, of course, and I'm going to reuse the little house for this main fuse. It did live right here on the old battery cage, whatever you want to call this. And so I'm going to reuse this part. I'm just going to cut this part out real quick, and I'm going to weld it onto my new battery house. Alright, so we got our battery box painted up here, all nice black like the rest of the bike, and let's go ahead and put it together. We've got the little rubber housing for the main fuse here. That goes right on the side, like so. Next, instead of the dog collar, I'm actually going to use a Velcro strap. And then the actual battery. Bam, there it is. And this all gets screwed onto the bracket that is mounted on the actual frame of the bike. Then the main fuse goes in like so, and then you run your wires to where they need to go. And that's my battery box setup. I do worry about it getting a little too dirty down there, being right by the wheel, and we may need to change that at some point in the future. So if you have any experience with similar setups, let me know in the comments below. Appreciate your help. Keep on wrenching. We'll see you next time.